Substitution, how to substitute numbers, values into expression. Find the value of these expressions when x is equals 4. Now, these ones are quite straightforward, very simple ones. If x is 4, we need to know what 5x will be. If x is 4, we need to know what 2x plus 5 will be. We need to know what 10x plus 15, and also we need to know what 2x squared would be when x is given to be 4. Okay, do remember that 5x is the same as 5 times x. So if x is 4, so it's going to be 5 times 4, so that's going to be 20. If x is 4, it's going to be 2 times 4. You do that one first, which is 8, and then you add 5 afterwards. Now, let's look at the whole questions in details. So x is 4 here, 5x is 5 times 4, and that will give you 20. Second one, 2x, when x is 4, 2 times 4, you have to do that first, and then you add 5 afterwards. So 8, add 5, 13. Here, you do the same, 10 times 4, do that first. So that gives you 40, then add 15, and give you 55. This is a little bit different. 2x squared. Now, if you look here, 2 is not squared. What is squared is x. And x is 4. So that means 4 squared. And 4 squared is 4 times 4. And that will give you 16. Then times it by 2. Then your whole answer becomes 32. Try these questions. Press pause. When you're done, press play. Okay. Find the value of these expressions when x is 3. 12x. If x is 3, 12 times 3, that'll give you 36. Done. When x is 3, 4x, 4 times 3, and then take 8 afterwards. 4 times 3 is 12, 12 take 8, 4, done. 8x plus 2, but x is 3. 8 times 3, do that first, then add 2, 26. Now here, did you get this one right? Because here, x is cubed, not 4. So cubed here is 3 cubed, which is 3 times 3 times 3, and then times 4, then 108. Why not watch harder substitution? Next slide. Have a look at that. Check it. Next slide. Watch harder substitution slide and see what happens.